Happy birthday!
Very surprised. Hi. Oh God, you got
Why did you stop?
We're having a party,
Did you see the
man.
I saw.
You saw the balloon stop?
He was backing out the driveway.
Oh man.
Mama, why did you give me the ball? Mama!
When you drive down, you can see the rest of the family. We're having a party, man.
Wow.
Give me my ball.
You guys got me.
You did. Jim, you want me to move your car for you?
No, I'll get it.
You can't do this.
All right.
Thank you. We've been planning this since January. Was I good?
That was good.
You stopped quick.
I thought, what the hell?
You say when you turned off? You didn't see none of this?
I saw them out there. I didn't.
Oh, you did?
No, I saw my Tom. And
Yeah, but you did. She's like, hey, I got a sign here.
see, look,
Yeah.
Danielle driving. Y'all better get out of the way. She ain't got her glasses on.
Thanks, guys.
Is Jim really letting her drive?
We're not coming next weekend. Did you buy them ribs? Did you buy them ribs? We're not coming next weekend. You got them next weekend. You got enough ribs to last us for like 4 weekends.
I'll be here next weekend.
Expect that.
Oh my God.
I think he's gonna come.
We got all kinds of food. Yeah. Pig roast.
Happy birthday, sir. I really didn't expect this. I said, I know him.
I know him.
Then I said, see you guys.
birthday.
Thank you.
So they pulled it off good. Oh my God.
Get that out of my face.
You can end on that.